The Mieres Theater is back again. So, we are going to delight you with an amazing sketch. Let me introduce to you the cast of this sketch. First of all, Elsa as Miss Posy. Katy as Monica. Eva as the Robert. And finally, Luis as Mr. Moore.
There is a gentleman to see you, Mr. Moore.
Oh, yes. Mr. Moore, bring him in, please, Monica.
Okay, Miss Posy. Mr. Moore, come with me, please. Mr. Moore, Miss Posy. Miss Posy, Mr. Moore.
Good morning, Mr. Moore.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Moore.
Good morning, morning.
Thank you, Monica.
Bye.
Mr. Moore, please. Mr. Moore, sit, please.
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Moore, the situation is like this. Your account is in the red.
Pardon?
In the red, Mr. Moore.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
In the red, overdrawn.
Overdrawn? No, I'm sorry. I've never heard that word before in my life.
It's very simple, Mr. Moore. It means that you've taken more money out of the bank than you've put in, Mr. Moore.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much.
I don't think you quite understand the situation, Mr. Moore. It means that you put in less than you've taken out.
Oh!
Your account is overdrawn. £200 overdrawn, Mr. Moore.
200 pounds overdrawn. Oh, I see. But don't worry, I can put it right immediately.
Oh, good.
I'll write you a check. Shall I?
Well,
200 pounds.
Mr. Moore, if you write me a check for £200, you'll be overdrawn. More, Mr. Moore, more.
I beg your pardon.
More, Mr. Moore. M-O-R-E. More.
No, no. Double O. M. Double O. R. E. Mr. Moore. That is my use it for you.
Give me all your money or I kill you. I see. Will you sit down for a moment, please?
Sit down.
Yes, I'm very busy at the moment. Please, but sit over there.
But
I'll be with you in a moment. Now, Mr. Moore, how much do you earn?
35 pounds a week.
excuse me.
Just one moment, please. So you earn 35 pounds a week. How much do you spend?
70 pounds a week.
Excuse me.
One moment, please. 70 pounds a week? So you spend twice as much as you earn?
Yes, I earn half as much as I spend.
How do you do it, Mr. Moore?
It's easy. I use my checkbook.
Exactly, Mr. Moore.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I make 2,000 pounds a week.
2,000 pounds a week?
Yes.
How much do you spend?
1,000 pounds a week.
Really?
Yes.
So you save 1,000 pounds a week?
Yes.
Oh, good. Would you like to sit here, please?
Thank you.
Mr. Moore. Mr. Moore. Will you sit for a moment? Thank you. Now. So you save 1,000 pounds a week.
Yes.
Well, tell me, where do you keep this money?
Here, in this bag.
Oh, good. Very nice. Would you like to open an account, Mrs.
Still.
Still? I see. S-T-double-L-E.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, excuse me, one moment, Mrs. Steele. I'll get the necessary papers.
Certainly.
Excuse me.
Yes.
You make 2,000 pounds a week.
Yes.
How do you do it?
I rob banks.
Oh, I see. You rob banks and steal the money.
Yes.
And how do you do it?
It's easy. You take a gun,
I haven't got a gun.
borrow money.
Oh, thank you very much.
Be careful. You take a gun and you take a note.
Oh, yes, the note. That's very good. I like that.
Yes. So,
2
you take the note.
2 pounds of tomatoes. 6 eggs.
The other side.
Oh, yes. Give me all your honey or I'll kiss you.
Money and kill.
Oh, yes.
So, you take the note, go into the bank, and put the note on your manager's desk.
Is that all?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yes. Now, Mrs. Steele. Here you account and confirm.
Give me all your honey, money, or I'll kiss you, kill you. Here you are. 50 pounds. 100 pounds. 150 pounds. 200 pounds.
Thank you, Mr. Moore.
Goodbye.
But,
Now, Mrs. Steele, you will count.
one moment. I feel something wrong.
Oh, Monica, would you read me some coffee, please? Some strong black coffee.
Okay, one moment, please.
Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes the world go round, it makes the world go round. Marka jedna pakko tanta, marka jedna pakko tanta. This word that makes the world go round, that clinking, clanking sound can make the world go round. Money, 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 money. If you happen to be rich, you feel like a nice entertainment. You can pay for the entertainment. If you happen to be rich, you alone, you need a companion. You can ring ting was made. If you happen to be rich, you find you are left by your lover. When you roll, you go by a lot. You can take it on the chin for a cab and begin to recover on your 14 yard. What? Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes